Top 5 Best Service Carts. Let's get started with the list. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, MaxWorks 80384 Service Cart. This is a multi-purpose 2-tier cart that offers maximum storage and convenient transportation. It has a high weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. Its ergonomic handles on 2 sides allow easy cart control. Its 4 swivel casters are non-marring and roll efficiently to allow maximum maneuverability. Its heavy-duty plastic and aluminum construction delivers strength, durability, stability, and ease of cleaning. Its assembly can be done easily and fast. The front casters have brakes that provide safety and convenience. Ergonomic handles. At number 2, Goplus Plastic Service Cart. This utility cart is made of premium plastic for strength, stability, and durability. It has a high load capacity of 550 pounds for all your carriage needs. Its ergonomic handle and 4 universal swivel casters provide smooth and convenient mobility. Its 2 spacious storage layers will take care of all your storage needs. It is easy to assemble. At number 3, Amazon Basic Service Cart. This rolling service cart provides ample storage space and a convenient means of transporting large loads. Its 3 durable shelves provide ample storage space and high weight capacity, 300 pounds max. The sides are open, and the shelves well spaced for quick viewing and easy access. This cart is constructed from lightweight yet durable aluminum and premium plastic. With 4 casters and handles on both sides, this cart is easy to move around. At number 4, Rubbermaid Commercial Economy Plastic Cart. It has 3 spacious shelves that provide lots of storage space and have a high weight capacity, up to 200 pounds. It is made of high-quality plastic for strength and durability. The cart's surfaces are easy to clean. Its 4-inch swivel casters provide easy and efficient mobility. Its 2 easy grip handles enable convenient handling and control. This cart is adequately sized for maximum usability. At number 5, 173,004 Utility Cart. 236 inches by 24 inches by 4 inches. Shelves hold up to 500 pounds of evenly distributed weight. Avoid rust, chips, and dents with an easy-to-clean surface for simple maintenance. 5-inch non-marring casters provide effortless and smooth mobility without scuffing surfaces. Convenient push handle includes a variety of smaller compartments along with a cup holder for additional storage. Durable polypropylene material ensures a long lifespan. Easily transport up to 500 pounds worth of packages around the warehouse. Each shelf measures in at 30 by 16 inches, allowing for boxes in a variety of shapes and sizes. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.